In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off what's next here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go ahead and open up the pause menu to do this. So go ahead and just hit pause real quick. It's then going to take you to a page that looks like this. And by default, it should put you on the campaign tab. Sometimes it doesn't though. So just tab over to campaign just like so. And once you're on the campaign tab, go ahead and scroll down and you need to select settings right here. So open up settings. It's then going to pop up with another page where you need to scroll down to HUD and gameplay. Go ahead and open this up and you need to scroll down until you see the what's next option. This is towards the very bottom, so scroll down pretty far until you see what's next. Once you see it, you're going to have the ability to keep it on or turn it off. Go ahead and adjust this to whatever it is that you want, just like so. And then of course go ahead and back out, and if it prompts you to save, make sure that you do save. Otherwise, of course, it won't actually adjust. But that's going to be the full process right here. It really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.